Morning student, myself S.P. Kelkar, math teacher from Nanprakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to study some examples which are depends on the probability. Probability is a chapter number 5th which is from the math first. See the example from a road safety committee. Form a road safety committee of two boys B1 and B2 and two girls G1 G2. Write the sample space. Now write down the sample space. In this question they are saying only write down the sample space. So the sample space is equal to, firstly write down the B1 B2 means both are boys in this committee, then both are girls in this committee, then we take one boys one girls B1 G1, then B1 G2, then B2 G1, B2 G2. In this way we write down the sample space. Yes, these are the elements of the sample space. The elements are 6 elements. Now see the question number 2. 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Condition for the event A to get at least 2 heads. The condition for the event B to get no head, and condition for event C is to get head on the second coin. Solution. In this solution we firstly write down the sample space for the 3 coins. S equal to firstly 3 head, then write down 2 head and 1 tail. Now this tail insert in mid position, then first position. See in this way, this T H T H, then T H H, then take 2T and H, T H T, then H T T, then T T T. In this way the number of sample space is 8. In this sample spaces there are 8 elements. Number of S equal to 8. Condition for event A to get at least 2 head. At least 2 head means कमीत कमी 2 आणि जास्त असले तरी चालतील. मग यामधून आपल्याला 2 हेड असलेले सर्व एलिमेंट घ्यायचेत आणि 3 असलेले सुद्धा. Then write down 3H, then HHT, then HTH, then THH. And in these elements there is only one head, and here there is no head, so we take only these 4 elements in event A. A equal to, these are the 4 elements, number of A equal to 4. Then event B to get no head. Now in these elements there is 3 2 2 2 1 1 1 elements. Only these elements there is no head, so we take TTT in this B event. Then number of B equal to 1. In event B there is only one element, so number of B equal to 1. Event C to get head on the second coin. Second coin. See, these are the 3 coins, and at the second position H. Here also second position H, but here is not second position H. Means we take these 2 elements, then this third element and this fourth element. So we write down here HHH, HHT, THH, THT. In this way, in event C there are the 4 element, number of C equal to 4. So write down the third example. A 2-digit number is a format with digits 2 3 5 7 9 without repetition. What is the probability that the number format is, number 1 condition is an odd number, number 2 condition is multiple of 5. Firstly write down the sample space using this digit 2 3 5 7 9, and that digit, using the digit we write down 2-digit numbers. So S equal to means sample space equal to, we take firstly 2 3, 2 5, 2 7, 2 9, then 3 2, 3 5, 3 2, 3 5, 3 7, 3 9, 3 5, 3 7, 3 9, then 5 2, 5 3, 5 7, 5 9, 5 9, then 7 2, 7 3, 7 5, 7 9, 7 9, then lastly 9 2, 9 3, 9 5, 9 7. In this way, we write down the sample space. Firstly, the number of elements in sample space S equal to 20. These are the elements in sample space. Then write down first condition of the event and odd numbers. Now in event, so we consider here event A, 2 digits odd numbers are formed. Now collect the odd number from this 2 digit numbers 2 3, 2 5, 2 7, 2 9. Then leave this 3 5, 3 7, 3 9. Remove this 5 3, 5 7, 5 9. Then leave this 7 3, 7 5, 7 9, 7 7 5, 7 9. Remove this 9 2, then 9 3, 9 5, 9 7. In this way, these are the 16 elements in event A. Then probability of event A equal to number of element in event A, that is 16, divided by number of element in sample space S. 16 divided by 20 is 4 by 5. Then we again see the event B. The 2 digit numbers is a multiple of 5. So B equal to 25, 35, 75 and 95. These are the 4 elements which are from the sample space S. The number of element event B equal to 4. Then probability of event B equal to number of element in event B divided by number of element in sample space S. That is the 4 by 20 means 1 by 5. Now so see the example 4. A box contains 5 red, 8 blue and 3 green pens. Rutuja wants to pick a pen at a random. What is the probability that the pen is blue? So the solution is that we firstly write down the 5 red pen means R1, R2, R3, R4, R5. Then 8 blue pen means B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8. These are the 8 blue pen. Then 3 green pens means G1, G2, G3. Using this 5 red, 8 blue and 3 greens, we write down sample space S equal to firstly R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, then B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, then G1, G2, G3 means 3 green pens. Now total is number of S equal to 16. These are the elements of the sample space S. Then number of S equal to 16. Then see the first condition that let A be the event that Rutuja picks a blue pen. So the event A equal to B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8 means in this event A there is only a blue pen and blue pen are the 8. So we write down here 8 elements of the event A equal to number of A equal to 8. Then probability of event A equal to number of A divided by number of S. Number of A is 8. 8 divided by 16 means 1 by 2. The probability of that Rutuja picks a blue pen is 1 by 2. Then we see the again fifth example. 6 faces of a die are shown below. Now In this example, for the die, each face gives the name A, B, C, D, E, A. If the die is rolled once, find the probability that first event is A appears on upper face. Then second event is D appears on upper face. Now firstly write down the sample space of the die. Then die is rolled once, so sample space S equal to A, B, C, D, E, A. Now in this example, the die is not given a number, so we write down the name of the faces. These are the 6 faces, so the number of sample space is 6. Then event A, first condition is A appears on upper, so here 2 times A, so we write down here A equal to in bracket A and A. Number of A is 2, means in this event A there are 2 elements, number of A equal to 2. Probability of event A equal to number of elements in event A divided by number of sample space, S equal to 2 divided by 6, that is the 1 by 3. Then see the second condition of the event is D appears on upper face. Now here D is 1 time, so in event B, in bracket write down D, the number of B is 1. So probability of B equal to number of B divided by number of S. So 1 divided by this 6 means 1 by 6. In this way we complete 5 examples. Good day, goodbye, okay.